I have some tater tots. I have a couple mozzarella sticks that was left over from me because I wanted to just try them. And I have the spicy Philly cheesesteak.
Hello, guys.
With the jalapeno peppers on them. Get it.
Onion.
Look good. Nah, you took the onions off, right? Yeah, you did. You took them off.
Next time, tell me.
Look at him. Thumbnail. Oh, you want a thumbnail? You ate your food? You in here now?
Yep.
All right. First, I am going to start off with a prayer. Amen. And amen again. Y'all want to try tater tot first? I didn't even know you got me tater tots.
Those are mine. She never ate them.
Oh, because you didn't like them?
No, I did like them. I
So
just
how
didn't
are
know
you?
where they were.
Really? Well, Cause I didn't
just
ask for no
so
tater
bad.
tots.
Give her some ketchup.
So, give me some ketchup, baby. So she came with me because I didn't ask for no tater tots. I just wanted this because I already got tater tots on here. They got tater tots. They got the jalapeno pepper.
You're
It's
right.
supposed to have the onions. It got the cheesesteak on here.
Mom, you were right. This does taste
The
like
foot long bun. It tastes good, right?
You're right. This does taste like hash browns.
Yeah, that's brown. I got some mozzarella sticks. Okay. 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 And I got a tonic slushy. It's cherry. It just surprised me. They brought it back for me. That's good. But, oh, we got sauce in here. Oh, the marinara sauce. Let's try that next. But I want to first try this cheesesteak. See if it was worth the wait. Break it down the middle. It's actual hot dog bun. The hot dog bun is like a regular one. They should have used a potato roll. Hot dog potato roll.
Probably charge you $2 more for potato.
They probably would have for a potato roll.
Probably 3. Who knows?
Yeah. You ain't like it?
The roll, the cheesesteak is good, but the roll is just.
The roll shouldn't be with the
It should
cheesesteak.
be a different kind of roll. You know, we from Jersey, so we know the. For fast food, it's alright. I don't consider it a real cheesesteak.
Yeah, it's alright, but you're right. Should have had a better roll, a potato roll or something else, some other kind of roll, instead of a regular hot dog roll. That would have been banging. I should have took a next time I'm gonna take one of the hot dog buns, the potato rolls, and take all the stuff off, put it on it. I'm gonna try it like that. But it's good, it's spicy. This one's spicy. You ain't tried a spicy one though, right? It got some kick to it. Definitely got some kick to it, but it's alright. Just I ain't expect this bun. This is the juice for the hot dog. You know, Sonic got the long hot dog too. I saw that on the menu when I was looking it up too.
I'll just go that order now for food again.
They said this is a sirloin steak.
Yeah, it's actually alright.
I'm surprised.
I don't eat anything till.
Hmm?
Man, I'm so full. I won't eat anything till tomorrow.
For real?
Yeah.
So you won't hit me up later and say,
double cheeseburger.
I
heavy.
probably will, but still.
you want to eat tomorrow. Because all you ate, and now you saying you probably will still hit me up.
No, just for a little snack, but I'm full.
Try that strawberry slushy.
And got some cheese to it.
Try that strawberry slushy.
Oh, that's what is a strawberry slushy? It's good.
That strawberry slushy, the best.
Mm-hmm. It's good. Mmm. Ooh. This thing is spicy. Definitely got some kick to it. Y'all try this.
I think I drank my slushy too fast.
If y'all not a fan of hot dog buns, have you a bun waiting at home
I always order that strawberry slushy in high school.
and transfer it over? You always order that in high school?
The strawberry slushy in high school, yeah.
Mm.
You used to be going to Sonic in high school?
Yeah, when I lived in Carolina.
They had closed Sonic down around here for a while.
Came from the South because they don't do shit right. Something that comes from the South, they bring to Jersey for some reason they don't do well. Chick-fil-A did.
Chick-fil-A do good wherever it go.
Mm-hmm.
But Sonic, they had closed it down and reopened it. I think they had to restructure everything and do it all over, but it's pretty good. Last time we went was what? Like how many years ago?
Water? Well, you ain't gonna grab a napkin and pat it down?
You heard me?
Huh?
Last time we went, what? How many years ago was it? It was a long time ago, wasn't it? We went for them hot dogs?
Probably like 4 years ago.
Like 4 years ago?
Probably longer.
Yeah, I think it's probably like 6, 7 years ago. We got hot dogs from there, and it was horrible. Right after that, we went, they ended up closing it down. They just opened it up again. And this cheesesteak is good.
Eat that.
I like it. It's like an 8 now. If they had a different bun, it'd be like a 10.
Alright, you bugging.
You don't think so?
You bugging, man. Come on, all the cheesesteak spots we been to, you bugging.
I'm just talking about for this store.
For fast food, I give it a 6, and that's pretty good.
A 6?
Yep.
It's good to me. I don't know.
That is good. A 6 is good for fast food.
All right, yeah, you're right.
McDonald's at
For
10.
fast food, you're right.
Come on, man. We 40 minutes away from Philly.
You're right. So next, we gotta try a Philly burger, a Philly cheesesteak again.
McDonald's
Which one y'all used to go all the way down there to get?
We always went to different ones.
But the one that y'all used to go with the cheese whiz.
They all Philly cheesesteaks got whiz too.
Hold on, which one you used to go? But y'all used to go bring a whole bunch of cheesesteaks back all the time.
Yeah, I like Jim's. I like Jim's on
Jim's?
South Street.
Jim's on South Street, yep. Used to bring those. Those are good. And it's meaty.
And then what's his name like Geno's, and my other cousin like Pat's.
Yeah, Gino's, Pat's. Yeah.
They got Ishkabibbles. They got Tony Luke's. They
Tony
got
Luke's.
Max's.
And Max's. I don't remember eating at Max's.
Nah, we never went.
Oh, I was about to say, I remember all the other names, but I don't remember Max's. Whew. I said I wasn't going to do too much more fast food, but I got to try. I had to try this. I had to try it. Did you ever try Trader Joe's? Huh? Trader Joe's. You ever try that? Somebody recommended this Trader Joe's to me, and I know I looked it up to see where it was at. They got one in Cherry Hill.
And then Cherry Hill like an hour away.
Yeah. 40 minutes. Like 40, 45 minutes. But it was for the salmon.
Man,
Told me to get the salmon stuff. Try that.
to get to the.
I gotta try it. But I never had it. I never even heard of Trader Joe's until I started seeing it on YouTube. Everybody start eating Trader Joe's on YouTube because we don't got it in this area like close to home. But
Yeah, no. If there was, I would have heard that.
right,
Like Sonic.
I'm gonna find it.
I'm
I'm gonna try it.
I like Philly cheesesteak, but I like Jersey cheesesteak.
Yo, my phone was ringing. I'm back. So good.
It just started raining.
It's raining?
Yeah. No, I think it's sleeting. I just saw some ice.
It's probably
Honey,
sleeting.
it's melting.
No, it's not melting. It was out there.
I know the wind. It's also wind. It's bringing everything around.
No, but it is raining though.
Y'all definitely gotta try it. Yummy. You know what else we gotta try? Did you hear about that new fish sandwich from the chicken spot around the Popeyes?
Nah, that's something you could try. I'm good.
You good? They say it's good.
I don't like Popeyes.
It's a chicken sandwich. That's okay. Oh yeah.
You try it. Let me know how it is.
Even if I try, you still ain't gonna try it. Cause you don't care for Popeyes. You know we ain't having a long
I
time?
don't care for fish sandwiches either.
You know we ain't having a long time?
What?
KFC.
Kentucky Fried
Every time you go to KFC around here, they always missing something. Or, oh, we don't have no corn. Or we don't have no biscuits. Or we're out of chicken. How you out of the food?
How are they out of chicken? It's Kentucky Fried Chicken.
I'm telling you, they always out of something.
Oh,
And I'm not exaggerating. Like, they're always out of something.
no.
Always. That's why I stopped going. Because they were always out of something. All the phones gonna ring now. Next time I do a video, all the phones gonna ring. Like, And I don't even know who these people be. I was watching the news today. It was yesterday, and they said,
Ty said she wanted you to buy her a fish sandwich.
Yeah.
They said we're getting more spam calls than ever. Like, people just calling us. And the news lady was like, how about don't call my phone at all? Like, it'd be people calling just for, like, trying to scam you. Like, leave me alone. Leave me alone. I don't even know why we still have the house phone because we never answer it. Everybody has cell phone. Kids, adults, whoever.
Yeah, like when
Everybody
I
has
was
cell phone.
younger and I needed to call
Shoot,
you.
if the dog can talk, it would have a phone too.
Yeah, mommy. I remember I used to use the house phone to call you at work, but I don't use it anymore.
Because you have your own phone.
I used to always
You
call
not getting in
you.
that talk?
I'm getting in
Yeah, get in that talk.
Yeah, you gotta rejuvenate because you just got out of practice. You gotta get yourself together.
I want to sleep.
Are you gonna sleep? Because you eat all the food.
I'm about to go to sleep.
Everybody tired now. They done eat this fast food.
No, because I ate my food and I just got done for a couple hour practice.
Alright, y'all. I'm about to actually end this video.
Right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
You might have to come over here and sit.
And turn on those post notifications so you know when our next video will be uploaded.
Until next time.
Bye bye.